We'll guide you through how to find the hotspot password on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've gone and enabled the hotspot on your device. You're going to drag down like this. And as you can see, I've enabled the mobile hotspot. And then on another device, whether that's a computer, a tablet, another phone, you try and connect to it. I'll come into Wi-Fi here. You're going to go and find that it's going to go and ask for a password. And so what we need to do is go and have that password. So to go and find it, it's much easier than you probably think. What you need to do is you need to go and swipe up on your device like so. You need to go and find the settings. You can go and search at the top if needed, or just go and swipe across and go and find it. You can see it's here for me, so go and open it up. Now in here, you want to go and find the option for connections. So go and tap there. Then in connections, you need to go and find the option for mobile hotspot and tethering. You can go and see it's at the bottom here, so you can go and tap on it. At the top, you're going to see mobile hotspot and it's currently switched on. But to go and get the password for it, what you need to do is go and tap mobile hotspot like this. And then what you can do is go down and you're going to go and see the network name and then the password. So that is the current password set. You can actually go and change it by tapping there, and you can go and change something a bit easier. It's kind of random there, so you could change it to something you know. Of course, you want to go and make sure that it's hard enough so people can't just guess it and get in. And when you go and change the password, I just go and turn it off and back on just to go and refresh things.